I'm going to show you how to resize your images to put up on Facebook using two programs in the Adobe Creative Suite. First, I'm going to show you Bridge, and then I'll show you Photoshop. Okay, so right now I'm in Bridge, and I'm in the folder of images that I want to prepare. It's the light and shadow folder. I'm going to select all of the images in the folder, and then go to Tools, Photoshop, Image Processor. This dialog box opens up, and there are a few things we can do. First, select the images to process. It's going to process all the selected images, so leave that as is. Then, number two, select the location to save your images. You can save it in the same location, so what will happen is in the folder where the images are, there will be a new folder called JPEG in this case, with all of the converted images in there. Or you can choose another place to put it. Here I have that option checked, select folder. And if you click on here, select folder, you can choose a folder where you want them saved to. I'm going to save them on the desktop. Click OK. And then what we're going to do for Facebook is save it as a JPEG, resize it to fit a width of 2048 and a height of 2048. Those are Facebook specs for the best viewable image size. And then set your quality anywhere between 7 and 10. This has to do with the amount of compression, and this will change the size of your JPEGs. If you save it at quality 10 and find out that they're taking forever to upload to Facebook, lower that quality number. So I'm going to set mine to 7, and then convert the profile to sRGB, which is the color profile of a monitor. So we're not going to save as PDF, PSD, or save as TIFF. We're not going to run any actions. And so this number 2 and number 3 are the main things you have to look at here. And then click Run. And I've moved to the JPEG folder on my desktop, and I can see how these JPEG images are being added to the folder. They've got the same name that they were originally given, and the image processor is just running through the whole folder and saving them at those settings. And here they are all finished. I've selected one of them. The sharpness and quality looks just fine on my screen. And if I look over here in the metadata, I can see that the size of this image is 134K. All right, and now from the Photoshop side, it's a very similar process. Go to File, Scripts, Image Processor. The same window pops up. The difference here is I haven't selected the images first, so I have to select the images to process, select folder, and then choose the folder. So this is on my desktop, and I want to go to light and shadow. Click OK. Select where you want to save it. Once again, I'm going to save it on desktop, and these settings are the same as they were the last time I used image processor. So save as JPEG, quality 7, resize to fit 2048 pixels per side, convert to sRGB. Everything else is the same. Click Run, and once again it'll run through the images in that folder. Okay, so it ran through all of the images, and now on my desktop there's a JPEG folder, and there they are. They're all my small JPEGs ready to post on Facebook.